matrix A and B define as over my screen, then we have to find eigenvalues of matrix A and matrix B. To find eigenvalues, sometimes we have to given matrices are a special kind. Particularly, check matrix A and B are symmetric or Hermitian, skew Hermitian, or any other kind. On observation, we can say that matrix A is skew Hermitian because diagonal elements are either 0 or complex and non-diagonal elements satisfying the properties of skew Hermitian. Matrix B is A transpose A conjugate and take transpose of conjugate of transpose. This is for Hermitian, means we are checking conjugate transpose, and we know that transpose comes in a reverse order. So A conjugate transpose into A double transpose and take conjugate. This one equals to A double conjugate transpose into A conjugate. Double conjugate means same, so A transpose into A conjugate, and this is same as input and output, means B star equals to B. This is Hermitian. Matrix A is skew Hermitian and matrix B is Hermitian. We know that eigenvalues of Hermitian matrix are real and eigenvalues of skew Hermitian matrix either 0 or purely imaginary. Now option B, n eigenvalue of A is 0. Option D, A has a non-zero real eigenvalue because A is skew Hermitian. So no non-zero real eigenvalue. Option D discard. And option C is true because B is Hermitian. So all eigenvalues of B are real. Because of option B, option C is true. That's why option A is wrong. Now come to the option B. N eigenvalue of A is 0. Because matrix A is skew Hermitian. So eigenvalues may be 0 or purely imaginary, but trace of matrix A is iota, and this is 2 cross 2 matrices. So if sum of eigenvalue equals to imaginary or purely imaginary, it means that eigenvalues are complex. If eigenvalues are complex, then they comes in pair, means one is complex number, then its conjugate. So sum of eigenvalue cannot be real. Sum of eigenvalue not real. If sum of eigenvalues is non-real, is it imply that eigenvalue of A is 0? And you have to check determinant of matrix A. Determinant of matrix A is 2. Determinant is 2. and determinant is product of eigenvalues. And both eigenvalues are complex. Both eigenvalues are complex. So option B is discard, because n eigenvalue of A is 0 and 0 comes in real number. That's why this option is wrong.